Hello guys, let's take a look to best sleep drinks. Have them in the evening and sleep like a baby. Ensuring a peaceful night's sleep is crucial for good health. It's a significant factor that influences the functioning of our bodies. An adult should ideally sleep for at least 7 hours a day. But what can you do when the night doesn't bring the desired rest? How can you ensure healthy, uninterrupted sleep? Just reach for these drinks. The right amount of sleep is a crucial factor in the functioning of our bodies. People aged 18 to 60 should sleep 7 to 9 hours a day. Lack of sleep can increase the risk of certain diseases, such as depression and diabetes. If you have trouble sleeping, you should turn to natural methods. Among other things, drinking herbal teas, cherry juice, or even banana almond smoothies is a good idea. Experts are certain people aged 18 to 60 should sleep 7 to 9 hours a day. If we neglect our rest, it can negatively impact our health. Lack of sleep can lead to the development of diseases such as depression or diabetes. It can also seriously weaken our hearts. Unfortunately, a large part of the population suffers from insomnia or other sleep problems. Of course, in such situations, it is possible to turn to a wide range of dietary supplements or ask a doctor to prescribe sleeping pills. However, before opting for such solutions, it's worth trying natural methods to address insomnia. 1. Cherry juice. Experts claim that this unassuming fruit can have a positive impact on the quality of our sleep. This is mainly due to tryptophan, which it contains. This amino acid is a precursor to the hormone called melatonin. It helps regulate when you fall asleep and when you wake up. Interestingly, there's also a difference in the type of cherries. It has been found that those with a bitter taste may contain up to 6 times more melatonin than sweet cherries. Studies have confirmed the positive effects of cherry juice on sleep. Participants who consumed a beverage based on these fruits twice a day experienced fewer awakenings during the night. Additionally, their melatonin levels and morning urine significantly increased. Another study, on the other hand, showed that drinking 2 cups, approximately 480 milliliters, of cherry juice daily for 2 weeks extended total sleep time by 84 minutes. It also helped alleviate symptoms of insomnia in people aged 50 and older. 2. Chamomile tea. Some studies suggest that chamomile can improve sleep quality. One study found that taking 400 milligrams of this plant extract for 28 consecutive days had a positive effect on our rest. It's also important that chamomile helps alleviate anxiety, and that can indirectly affect the quality of our sleep. 3. Ashwagandha tea. Ashwagandha has traditionally been used in Ayurvedic practice. Its root contains compounds that, when isolated and consumed in large doses, promote sleep. Studies in humans have shown that ashwagandha calms and helps prepare for sleep. While this tea is safe for most people, some should be cautious. This applies particularly to patients with autoimmune disorders, thyroid disorders, pregnant or lactating women, and those taking medications to normalize blood pressure or sugar levels. 4. Valerian tea. Valerian is recommended primarily for women during menopause. It has a beneficial effect on sleep. One study found that 30% of menopausal women who took a valerian capsule, 530 milligrams, twice daily for 4 weeks reported improved sleep quality. It's also considered a safe way to manage insomnia. It's important to note that valerian doesn't alter the daily rhythm that determines when it's time to sleep and when to wake up. However, one study observed that large doses increased anxiety levels. Who should avoid valerian? Primarily pregnant women and children under 3 years of age. It's also important to note that it should not be combined with alcohol and certain medications, such as barbiturates and benzodiazepines. 5. Warm milk. This remedy is known to almost everyone. Who hasn't heard from their mother that the best way to fall asleep is to drink a glass of warm milk? It turns out there's some truth to it. Milk contains the aforementioned tryptophan. This amino acid can naturally increase serotonin levels, the hormone of happiness. Serotonin, in turn, increases the amount of melatonin in our body. 6. Almond milk. Whole almonds can improve sleep quality. Also, violet oil made from almonds or sesame seeds has been used for many years in traditional Iranian medicine as a remedy for insomnia. Almond milk is rich in hormones and minerals that support sleep, including tryptophan, melatonin, and magnesium.